Hey everybody, how was day one of online learning after a whole week of hanging out at home? It's gonna be weird me looking at myself in the video and then up on the screen with you, so give me a break. I am working on a plan for testing over magnetism and induced EMF, period. As if I've been talking into my phone this whole time. I am going to take ideas from you. I'm going to be taking or creating a discussion board on Schoology, and it will describe an assignment as far as input on how you want to review for the test. And then two, while I have the format set for the test as far as being via AP Classroom, multiple choice and free response, I want you to give me feedback on what would make this fair because you are stuck at home. And we don't have that face-to-face review time. So those are probably the two questions. Look at those. You are responsible to reply to two other students for each question. And that way we can kind of get a discussion going and you can kind of guide or shape how you're going to assess on that unit. Yeah, that's what it is. So I'm going to post this link just to get the verbal, and then you'll have the written. And if there are any questions, please let me know. I always end with, I hope you are well, but I do that all the time. I do really do hope you are well and making it through this time at home and finding some bright sides and getting outside, doing stuff like that. So I hope I get to see you soon. And yeah, I guess I'll see you online maybe. If anyone will go to my office hours, I'd love that. Talk to you soon. Bye.